Cities across Canada have seen drug poisonings and deaths spike in recent years. While other provinces have opened supervised consumption sites in an effort to save lives, previous Manitoba governments rejected the idea. Now the NDP government has set aside more than $2 million to begin setting up a facility. But Premier Wab Kinew says it won't be ready until next year.
After the past 7.5 years under the PCs where this is ruled out for ideological reasons, we also know it's going to be a big step. And we have to take the time to get it right.
One of the big questions still to be answered is where exactly the facility will go. Premier Wab Kinew says the province is considering somewhere around here along North Main Street. We also don't know who will run the facility. The province is considering a proposal from an Indigenous-led consortium. Those questions will be answered through consultations over the coming year. For more than a year, Sunshine House has operated a mobile overdose prevention site out of an RV, the closest Manitoba has to a permanent site. Over at Nine Circles Community Health Centre, a bathroom has been adapted to allow staff to respond in the event of an overdose. Prevention, Testing and Wellness Director Kim Bailey welcomed the funding for a supervised drug site, but she wants to see the province go further and consider offering prescription medication as an alternative to toxic drugs.
It's really a toxic drug supply that's creating the overdose situation that we have in Manitoba.
There were 467 suspected drug-related deaths in Manitoba in 2022, the highest on record. Preliminary data for 2023 show there were 445 deaths, a number that could rise. Manitoba is the last province west of Atlantic Canada that does not have a supervised drug site. Interim PC leader Wayne Owasco stood by his government's reluctance to open one.
And we stand by recovery first. I think Manitobans are going to have a lot of questions.
Advocates hope the establishment of a supervised consumption site will save lives and put people on the path to recovery. Cameron McLean, CBC News, Winnipeg.